Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your ISP account credentials and noting the current WAN IP and router MAC. This gives you a rollback reference. Once done, power cycle the modem only, unplug power, wait 60 to 120 seconds, then plug back in to request a fresh DHCP lease. Make sure to disconnect non-essential devices so the modem negotiates one address. If you use a combined modem router, briefly put it in bridge mode instead to force a new public IP from the ISP. Next, log into the router admin and run the DHCP release, then renew commands. This requests a new public IP from the ISP. If that fails, change or clone the router MAC address. ISPs often bind leases to MACs, then reboot the modem so it sees a new client. Alternatively, use your ISP's customer portal or remote reboot tool to force their device to issue a fresh lease. Make sure you document any MAC changes so you can restore settings later. Finally, verify the new WAN IP in the router status and with an external IP check. This confirms success. If the address didn't change, repeat the MAC tweak and do a full modem power cycle, or call your ISP and request a release of the DHCP lease. Explain you need a new public IP. If nothing works, restore settings and consider a factory reset as a last resort. However, backup config first so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.